Welcome back to another Painted by Fame. To start this look, I'm going to block the brow and proceed to cut the crease as I do in most of my tutorials, but in a very soft way. Using soft shades throughout the crease and blending into the lash line, I'm going to create a classic look but with a twist. I was inspired by an image I found of Lucille Ball online to create this look but in somewhat of a fetish way. And in order to incorporate black somewhere, I primarily focused it just at the lash line, faded out, and then, as you'll see, with the lip. For this look, I was going to need a little bit more coverage, so I'm going straight in with stick foundation directly into the skin and applying a heavy coat. Depending on if I'm performing or what my skin is actually looking like in person, I will vary the weight of foundation off of that. I've started to bring back the quantity of contour on my face just because I have such a structured face that if I add too much, sometimes I feel it can add age. So I'm trying to reverse age with a lighter contour but still feminizing at the same time. Establishing my classic brow by smudging out Cork lip liner. Using MAC's Feline eye Kohl, I'm basing the black to my lip and then applying glitter directly over the top. I then elevated the look by wearing a latex suit and amazing hair.